Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling a cordless vacuum cleaner. So we have our instructions right over here, and now we're going to start unboxing. Oh my god, this is a lot of fun. Oh. So this is going to be our handle, and this is going to be another mini vacuum cleaner that you can hold by hand, and this is the dustbin over here, and this is where the things will come out. This is the vacuum part of the entire thing. So yeah, these three are all attachments that you can put in the front of the vacuum cleaner. I'll use these to put it. This is the main rod. So yeah, these are, if anything breaks, you can use this, and this is just to sweep. Small adapters here and cords. This is the filter. Oh, this is a new brush, so you can replace this if it breaks. This is what you're going to use to hang onto the wall. So we can take this and put it up somehow. I don't know how. And our assembly. This is how you extend, and then you can put it back normal. We're going to leave it like this right now. Clicked. So when you're doing this, you have many options you can do. You can put these two in it. So this one is if there's a small area where this entire big thing can't fit, then you can pull this out and then replace it with this. You can use this for small spaces, such as if you want to clean the middle of a sofa or cars. We can use this attachment for the bookshelves and such. This one you can use for hard floors and carpets. It has a spring over here, as you see, which makes it very flexible. And because of this super flexible spring over here, it's 360-degree rotatable. In this one. There we go. So yeah, here, this is how it works, and before use, we have to charge the port's all the way up here. In this tiny hole over here, you can plug this in and charge it. And this is the start button, this is the power. Here. So if you want to remove this, we have to press this button. So now we're going to be showing you these other two attachments. So you had to click over here. Then you see this line, these line, 2 lines over here. Push and then line them up, and then it'll go in. That's it. This attachment, by the way, also can do this. You can push it in, and then it has a. So you can. This can be used for bookshelves. This is the other attachment. That's it. See? So whenever you want, you can also use it like this. All the dust will be collected in this cabin over here. This last bit. I don't know how to unlock it though. We have our instructions over here to replace the filters and this thing. By the way, I didn't show you the replacement filter. It looks like this. This looks much more different from this, I know. But you can replace this brush with this one. So all you have to do is, you see this, you can pull it. Then you see this thing, pull it out. That's it. And then we're not going to remove this right now, but you will be able to put it in like this. And here's how you put it back. Push. You see this hole? Line it up with this tiny thingy over here. And then you can push this down and then lock it back in. That's it. These are the specifications of our cordless vacuum cleaner. The rated power is 210 volts, which is pretty high. And very important, it's also only used for dry usage. This is all about our Poweart cordless vacuum cleaner model N7S. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.